Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies. For your relationship, I'll be picking one card from another deck, from an oracle deck, and one card for the message from your person. So we will see what is the message as we proceed into the reading. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading. And Scorpios, if you are interested in a personal reading, I'll be sharing my friend's link in favor in the description. So if you want a reading, you can contact her. She is a very good intuitive reader. So let's start with these cards for your general energies first. We have Ace of Wands, Five of Pentacles in reverse, and Nine of Pentacles. So in your circumstances, Scorpios, maybe in your life, in your personal life, or in your career, there are certain changes you are seeing today. Maybe there are certain things not working as you expected. You may say some delays or suspension, some kind of a rearrangement changes are happening. It may be positive changes that is challenging you, challenging the way things are going today. Maybe you are happy for these challenges, but still these changes are something making you quite anxious about something in your life, anxious about your future, or some kind of, what to say, your expectations are not being met today. But I also see that maybe certain things may not work well, but you are getting some better opportunities or new offers in your work or in this relationship. You are getting a chance maybe to redeem yourself, to change the way things are. You may see some troubles with this person, some misunderstanding with them, but something is helping you or something is happening, changing for sure in this connection. So you are moving towards a meaningful relationship today. That is what I see. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We picked one card. It says time for a nap. So this just means that this may not be the time for any important decisions today. Maybe if you are thinking of marriage or commitment, this may not be the right time. This is the time to you to build a beautiful understanding with this person. Just being with them is going to help you today, and you should allow things to flow naturally in this relationship right now in this connection. And patience is the key. You need not rush through anything or rush towards any choices. So you just need to be here with this person, enjoy this moment with this partner you love. And maybe sometimes you may even feel bored, or you may even feel that nothing is interesting, but still, when you are with them, just being with them and being in that relaxed mode without any expectations is going to help you today. And just let things flow naturally in this relationship, and you will see that this connection is going to be rejuvenated, and you are going to see positive changes because of this time, because of your patience, and because of the time you are giving this connection, Scorpios. So that is the energy here with this card, the oracle guidance for y'all today. So let's see what is the message from this person. I can't take this anymore. So maybe they are also bored just like you. Maybe they just want to see some changes, or they want to move to the next step, or they want to make a decision just like you are thinking. But with the previous cards we saw that patience is the key. Patience is the key. Sorry guys, patience is the key, and that is going to help you today. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's see what is the first card for you all. I will keep this card aside. For those who chose this card, Tamlin, battle. So, in your circumstances today, maybe you're facing lot of struggles, some difficult circumstances are there for you, or it may be for someone you love. But you are a person who is a strong, determined person. So if you make a choice, if you are in a relationship, you stand by this person you love and you support this person no matter what. So this may be your energy or your person's energy towards you. So they support you through thick and thin. Whatever happens, they stand by you and they want to stand by you because they are a trustworthy and reliable person. So maybe for some of you, you are involved in some kind of a lawsuit or some kind of a litigation, something really something demanding your attention and something that is stressing you a lot. But you are a person who is strong, who is determined, or you have someone strong and determined standing by you, helping you out in this darkest moment of your life and making you feel better. So this person is a good friend and they are someone you can rely on. Or for some of you, you have a friend. It may not be your person, but it may be your friend, a close friend or a sibling who stands by you and who is here to help you through your hard times. And you will come out of this difficulty very soon, guys. That is also what I see. So this is just like some kind of a test or something that is happening to bring about some changes in you or bring about some changes in your circumstances. But these circumstances are not going to last forever. So you can be happy for that. So that is the energy here with this card, and this may be the time you have a lot of ideas, a lot of vision about your future, what needs to be done, and you will know what will work because you have a lot of experience now. So that is the energy here with this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, this is a Crystal Spirits card, guys. It says Rose Quartz. So the energy with this card, maybe in our life we often go through a lot. We face a lot of circumstances, different circumstances, And we often forget what we are, what is our worth, and how amazing we are. And this crystal spirit just reminds us that we are good enough, and we are good enough as we are. No need to change ourselves and no need to compare ourselves with someone else. So, we have our own inner strengths that will help us, that will, what to say, that will amplify our potential and our success, help us in our day to day work, help us to be strong, smart, playful, confident, whatever quality we have within ourselves. So we have everything we need, and we need not, what to say, yearn for something we are not, comparing ourselves with another person. So this crystal spirit card just shows us that we need, what to say, it just helps us to express love, and this love also includes self love. So we need to understand that each and every one of us are unique in our own way, and we are just enough as we are. So no need to feel sad or bad for what we are. So when we truly embrace our qualities, we are just going to shine through in our life. So that is the energy here with this card, guys. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.